How do you think about the MCP side? So you have OpenAI first-party connectors, you have third-party preferred, I guess, servers, you would call them, and then you have open-ended ones. Do you see that part of registry-like functionality expanding, or do you see most of it being user-driven? Auth is like the biggest thing. Like if you add Gmail and Calendar and Drive, you have to like auth each of them separately. There's not like a canonical auth. What's the thinking there?
Yeah, I mean, I think definitely for the registry, that's why we want to make it a lot easier for like companies to kind of manage what their like developers have access to, managing kind of the configurations around it. And I think in terms of like first party versus third party, like we want to support both of those. We have some direct integrations, and then I don't know, anyone can kind of create MCP servers. I think we want to make that a lot easier too, like establish kind of private links for companies to use those internally. So I think like just really excited about that ecosystem growing.
Yeah, I think one of the coolest things observed too is just I actually think we as an industry are still trying to figure out the ideal shape of connectors. So I mean, part of why I think the 1P connectors exist too, like we end up storing quite a bit of state. It's like a lot of work for us. But like by having a lot of state on our side, we call them sync connectors, we can actually end up doing a lot more creative stuff on our side when you're chatting with ChatGPT and using these connectors to kind of boost the quality of how you're using it, right?